Hey everyone. Today let's talk about something that's often overlooked in our fast-paced world: silence. Yep, you heard me right. Silence. We're diving into how this simple yet powerful tool can profoundly deepen your relationships. Imagine this. You're sitting across from your partner, a close friend, or even a family member. There's no buzzing phone, no distractions, just the two of you. In that moment, instead of filling the space with chatter, you just be. Sounds a little strange, right? But hear me out. In our day-to-day lives, we're constantly bombarded with noise. It's easy to forget that sometimes the most meaningful exchanges happen without words. When you're silent, you give room for the other person to be truly heard, understood, and appreciated. It's about being fully present, not just physically, but emotionally and mentally. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Silence allows you to really listen, not just to the words, but to the pauses, the breaths, and the emotions behind them. It's in these quiet moments that you can sense the unspoken, and that's where deeper connection begins. You're not just hearing someone, you're feeling them. And trust me, people can feel when they're genuinely being listened to. Think about the last time you had a heartfelt conversation. Was there a moment when you both just paused and took a breath? That little pause can be incredibly powerful. It's like hitting the reset button, allowing both of you to reflect on what's been said and what's been felt. It's in these pauses that trust is built and intimacy grows. So, how do we incorporate more silence into our interactions? Start small. Next time you're with someone, resist the urge to fill the silence with words. Instead, make eye contact. Smile. Be open. You might be surprised at how much closer you feel. This isn't about awkward pauses. It's about comfortable silence. A silence that speaks volumes. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Silence can be awkward. And sure, at first it might be. We're so used to constant interaction that silence can feel unfamiliar. But like any new skill, it takes practice. The more you embrace it, the more natural it becomes. Another thing to remember is that silence isn't just about the absence of sound. It's about creating a space for mindfulness, for being in the moment. When you're silent with someone, you're giving them your full attention. It's a gift in a world where attention is a rare commodity. Let's not forget, this isn't just about romantic relationships. Silence can deepen connections with friends, family, and even colleagues. It's universal. It transcends words and speaks directly to the heart. So I challenge you. The next time you're with someone important to you, try embracing a moment of silence. Pay attention to how it changes the dynamic of your interaction. Notice how it makes you feel, how it makes them feel. You might find that in the quiet, you discover a new layer to your relationship, one that's richer, deeper, and more meaningful. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, sometimes the most powerful things in life are the simplest. Silence isn't empty. It's full of answers. Give it a try and see how it transforms your relationships. Until next time, take care and stay mindful.